Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to this episode of Merricks Garage. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me some comments down below. Today, Merricks Garage top tech tips. I often get requests from people asking, how do you go about maintaining your recovery gear and your plethora of tools that you carry in this awesome camping trailer? Well, let's focus on a couple today. It is important to keep your tools running, and they do require maintenance and a lot of extremely expensive aftermarket parts. So, one tool in particular that has become very popular in the off-road crowd for many reasons, including its awesome looks, is the Hilift Jack. Now, this is a precision piece of equipment made from space-age polymers and aerospace quality materials, but it does need some maintenance and required tune-up parts. So I'll often pull it out after it's been sitting in my truck, not getting used at all, and make sure that everything's functioning well, and I'll do a full tune-up on it. Then when I have tuned it up, I will stow it safely back in the trailer or vehicle. I also have this recovery shovel that I'm soon going to powder coat to make sure that it does not get this horrible crusty patina all over it. Now, to do a tune-up on this shovel is actually quite involved, but I do like to do a quick tune-up at least once a week on it, where I pull it out, I verify that it is in fact a shovel, and I stow it safely too. So there you go, Merricks Garage top tech tips, how to keep your tools running really nice, new, fresh and clean.